Hey guys, good morning. It's Arif here. So today we're going to continue our 3D modeling study by using Autodesk Inventor. This is going to be our part 3, section B. And I already opened the program right here and already opened the module. So just make sure the project right here is right. And if you haven't made the project, just click new here and then click next, 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 and done. Just let all of the settings by default and click OK, and then click once you finish and click done. And then you can start creating a file, which is a standard part right here. Click standard and click create. Okay, take a look at our design right here. Here is our front view. I would like to consider it that way. And then we're going to start our models by this view. Okay, I'm just going to select the XY plane as our front view. Here, our profile, we can just follow the profile. Here, it's, I guess this is this consists of just like two rectangle. So here is our first rectangle and go to make a dimension right here. The length is here is 46. Press enter, and the height is 38. Press enter. And then we can continue making the other rectangle, and the distance from here to here, as you can see there, is 80, and the thickness here is 5. And we have to constrain our profile here by selecting one of the tools right here. I'm just going to select this here, click here to here, click here to here. Okay, our profile now is constrained. And go to 3D model and click extrude. Select the profile. I'm just going to make it symmetry. And the distance here, basically the width is 42. And press OK. So this is our base design. And the next we're going to make here this hole right here. Okay, by selecting this surface and then create a sketch on that surface, and then go to project geometry and click here and go to circle and just make a circle, and we have a rectangle as well, and done. And then click the dimension right here. The basically the diameter of the circle is 15. Press OK, and the distance from here, the center of the circle to this surface right here is 15. Okay, and here to here is 24. All right, and then the width of the rectangle is somehow 22, and the distance from here to here, okay, it's 8, and it is at the center. Okay, and then go to 3D model and click extrude and select this profile, and we can just flip the directions and make sure it's cut, and click here through all, because we're going to cut all through our previous model. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, once we finish, then we can continue to make this profile right here. The way we do that by selecting this this surface right here and just click create. Okay, go to project geometry. Here we're going to use lined, okay, because the distance from here to here, can you see that? Okay, here to here is basically 42 minus 11 divided by 2. Okay, we're just going to make a line uh, at this length, okay. The distance from here to here is 42. Okay, it's basically a 42 minus 11, and it will then divide by 2. Press OK. So it's 15 and a half. And the same way here, 15 and a half, 15 and a half, and press OK. And then we're going to, this is an arc, okay, or we can say like a a circle, okay, with which has 16 radius. So basically, we can make it by using this tools right here. It's arc, and then in this arc we have three options. Okay, the first option says that 3 points creates an arc using 3 points, which are start, end point, and radius. Okay, so here we're going to make it as the start point. This is going to the end point, and then we select the diameters or the radius. Okay, here based on our models, sorry, based on our models here, the radius is 16, so we can just click 16 and done. Okay, here is our profile and go to 3D model. Just click extrude because we're going to cut it. Okay, and the distance by this model here, the distance here is 22. So we just then uh, change the distance by 22 and then press OK. Click OK. Okay, we're finished making that. And then the center part, we're just going to go to origins and select the center plane here. And then just click create new sketch and press F7 and go to project geometry and click this. And we're going to use the exact same method. So it will be started by using a line here. The distance, sorry, the dimensions or the length of the line is basically 20. Okay, so you can see there is 20, and we're going to create this same line with the same length is 20, and then go to arc, and this is going to be our start point, this is going to be our end point, and the radius here somehow is 23. So you can see there it's 23. Okay, so go making it 23 and press OK. And select this because we're not using this. This is just the lines that help us making this profile. So then we don't have to use these lines and just click these lines, press Control. Okay, hold the Control button and then click here. So we're blocking these two lines and go to here, construction line. Okay, make it as construction line because we don't need these two lines right here. And go to line again. Go to here and select this here. Okay, and then we have a circle here. Okay, basically the circle has okay, the diameter is 9, so we change the diameter is 9, and the distance from the center to this surface is 10. Okay, big 10, and the distance from the center to this part, we don't know because they're not providing us the distance. So basically, I will just assume that this is the same distance is 10. Okay. So we finish and go to 3D model and click extrude and select the profile and go to just like symmetry and our thickness here, basically 11 millimeters, and click OK. So here is our design. And don't forget about this H or this fillet right here. Go to 3D model. You can just make it by using these tools, fillet, and select the radius. Here it says like the radius is 13, so change the radius. And then go to this edge and select this edge, click apply and cancel. Okay, this is our final design. I guess this is right, so we have to save that. Okay, it's gonna be our part 3 and click save. Okay, so now let's continue our design, um, our second design or fourth design technically. Here is our model right here. I would like to consider this is as a front view and just hold the control plus and until it will appear this tiny window right here and just click standard, and then we're creating new files and click start to the sketch and select this XY plane, and we're just following the profile, like this profile. But before we're starting the profile, just going to make a rectangle. The rectangle is supposed to be our boundary or yeah, or boundary, let's say it that way. The distance from here is here, here. The length is 150, 175, and the height is basically 37 plus 37 plus 38, 37 plus 38, and click enter. And then I'm just going to make it all constrained. So here is the constraint, okay, and block all of these things and click constructions because we don't need the we just need the construction line instead. So let's start our design by making a line right here, okay, right there, and the distance, it is supposed to be here to here, it's supposed to be 75. All right, 75, and it's supposed to be at the center. Okay, go to here, from here to here, here to here, 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 go. Oh, no, 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 sorry, delete that and click here, click here, here. Okay, so let's start creating the dimension here. So the inner part is somehow 50. All right, it's 50, and just constrain this right here, here, there. Okay, and the distance from here to the upper one is 38. Okay, and from here, okay, from this line to the bottom part is 37. Yes, that's right. And from here to here, okay, so you can see there it's 38. 38. Okay. Um, and then from here to here, from here to here is 25. It'd be 25. And what else? I guess it's here is 50. Here to here is should be 25 divided by 2 is 25. So it's all right right now. And then I'm just going to use 3D model. Go to 3D model and extrude this part right here. I'm just going to select, okay, I guess here. Okay, right there. The distance I'm just going to make to extrude from here, from this surface into this surface. So basically the distance from here to here is 200 minus 100, so basically it's 100. Okay, so change the distance 100 and click OK. So this is it. And maybe we can, yeah, yeah, okay, that's okay. And then let's continue making this profile. All right, by selecting this create sketch and go to project geometry and just select this, and then yeah, just select that and deselect this, make the lines as, wait, it seems like we don't need that. Okay, I'm just going to make a line right here and here as well, here as well, here to here. Okay, look at this. This is like we have to draw a rectangle right here, as you can see there, and this construction line. Um, the dimension from here to here is 12. As you can see there is 12, yeah, 12 inches, and the length is somehow 50. Okay, 50, and it's supposed to be, it should be at the center. Okay, and then go to here, making our next model, and just select this. Okay, and then the here it's supposed to be right here, okay, because it's supposed to be 12, okay, and the length, okay, go to dimension, and the length is 31, and it's supposed to be at the center here, okay, and go to here, 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 to here, here, here. Okay. Um, yeah. Once we finish, click the 3D model and extrude part. I'm just going to extrude this part right here. So here is the profile that we're going to extrude. So the distance here is 100. So we can change that distance 100 and then click OK. Okay, so we're finished making the upper one. And just select this profile right here and click Create Sketch. Okay, and go to Project Geometry and select this part and go to Rectangle. Okay, just click right here, and we have another rectangle. You can see there is 12, 12. Okay, so here is 12, and the width is 12, and this should be at the center. Okay, and the distance from here to here, so you can see there the distance is supposed to be 50. Okay, so it's all constrained right now, and then go to Extrude, select this to profile and flip the directions, and it's supposed to be 12 because here is 12. Okay, 12, and press OK. So here is the cut. Okay, then we have to cut this because okay, somehow we need to make this profile at the bottom part. Just go create, select this surface and click sketch and go to project geometry and just click right here and go to rectangle, right, go to rectangle and okay, just draw a rectangle, and from here to here is 25, basically it's 25, and from here to here is you know 100, okay, it's 175 minus 62 and then divided by 2, like okay. And here is supposed to be okay, no no no, here it's supposed, no 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 no, wait, this line should be constrained with this line, and here we can delete that. Okay, and then just go to dimension, what, just delete that line. Okay, whoa whoa whoa, wait, hold on guys, oh my goodness, hang on, this supposed to be dimensions, oh okay, just oh okay, just make a rectangle. Okay, and this is supposed to be okay, constrained, and the dimension here is 170, 175 minus 62, and it's then divided by 2. Press OK, and here to here, okay, and the dimension from here to here is basically, it's supposed to be 25. Okay, here is our model, our sketch that we can create aligned from here to here, and okay, just make this line as at the center and go to constraint, okay, and go to mirror because we're going to mirror this profile and select the mirror line. So this is the mirror line and click apply and done. Go to 3D model, click this to profile and flip the directions, and the distance is supposed to be 25, okay, because here is 25. It's 25 and click OK. Okay, then we have to deselect this because we don't need that. Okay, and then we have to cut through all this. So basically, we have to we have to cut three. We have to make three profile, and then we can then continue to cut through it by making a sketch at the top one, the top surface. Okay, we can make it by using one moves, like okay, just look at how I do it. Okay, click the project geometry, okay, here, and I'm just going to select right here, okay, and click circle. The diameter of the circle is 25. Okay, the distance from here to here is 50. All right, here it's supposed to be at the center, so here is constrained right now. And then we can just go to project geometry and select this line. Okay, and then go to 3D model, click extrude, click this profile, and then click this profile and this profile right here, and flip the directions and go through all. Okay, and then click OK. So yeah, we can basically like you see, as you can see here, we can extrude, cut this right here and at the bottom part by only using one extrude. Okay, one time extrude. Okay, cut through all. Like okay. Okay, next will be these things right here. I think this is pretty simple because we just have to make a, yeah, I don't know, maybe this is this. Okay, yeah, we're just going to make a profile sketch, create sketch, and F7. Okay, and then go to project geometry, select these things right here, and okay, here as well, and then go make a line, and then here as well, and the dimensions, or the dimensions is basically 75 from that surface here, and 75, and click OK. So go to 3D model and click extrude here, and flip the directions as well, and the thickness is 12. Change that by 12, click OK. So here is our final design. So see you later, guys. Thank you very much.